Lesson 2. Consonants. What I need to know. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify the consonant letters from the alphabet. Match the capital consonant letter with its small letter. Now let's have a review. Can you sing the alphabet song again? Sing it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Okay. How many letters are there in the English alphabet based on the song? Yes, very good. There are 26 letters. Now number 2. What are the vowel letters of the English alphabet? Very good. The vowel letters are A, E, I, O, and U. Now, how many vowel letters are there? Very good. There are 5 vowel letters. If 5 of the letters in the alphabet are vowels, what do you call the remaining 21 letters? Let's talk about it. Can you count the remaining letters in the alphabet? The red letters are the vowels. Count only the blue letters. Okay, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Right, there are 21 blue letters. These letters are called consonants. They can be written in 2 ways, capital or big letters and small letters. Again, how many consonant letters are there? Yes, 21 consonant letters. Very good. These are the consonant letters. Inside the first box are the consonants written in big or capital letters. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now the next box are the small letters. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's do this. Activity 1. Draw a line to match the capital letter with the small letter. Okay, start now. Very good. Activity number 2. Write the small letter of the given consonant. Number 1, letter D. Write on the blank the small letter of letter D. Number 2, letter G. Number 3, letter B. Number 4, letter K. Number 5, letter J. Number 6, letter N. Number 7, V. Number 8, T. Number 9, Q. Number 10, Y. Remember, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. 5 of them are vowels and 21 are consonants. Now let's answer the post test. Write your name on top of your paper and the date of today. Okay, the instruction is, write C on the blank if the letter is a consonant and V if it is a vowel letter. Okay, number 1, U. Write C if letter U is a consonant letter and write V if letter U is a vowel letter. Okay, start now. Number 2, letter Y. Number 3, letter S. Number 4, F. Number 5, C. Number 6, A. Number 7, O. Number 8, X. Number 9, J. And number 10, I. Letter B. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Octopus begins with blank. Letter A, A. Letter B, O. Letter C, U. Number 2. Which of the following is the small letter Q? The one in letter A, the one in letter B, or the one in letter C? Number 3. Which of the following is a right pair of big and small letter? The pair in letter A, the pair in letter B, or the pair in letter C? Number 4. Which of the following is a capital letter N? The one in letter A, the one in letter B, or the one in letter C? Number 5. Igloo begins with blank. Letter A, I. Letter B, O. Letter C, U.